Hello and welcome back to MarineMax, Georgia on Lake Lanier. My name is Quinn Seagraves. Today we're going to be walking through a Premier 230 Solaris. This is going to be one step above the Sensation, and so it's going to carry a little bit of upgrades throughout, mainly the audio system, some upholstery, and some finishing throughout the boat. As you move on, you'll notice that it still has the upgraded stereo units. Instead of the speakers being in the floor, they've actually raised them into the backrest. This allows them to be pointed at your ears rather than your feet, so you can hear a little bit clearer and nicer. You will have some USB chargers in both, and on the accent stitching, you will have a nicer finish to them. That's going to be on all the seats, even on your helm chairs. This one does have the dual captain's chairs, so you have one for you and one for your companion. At the helm, you'll notice a little bit of extra amenities here as well. We'll have the raised helm, JL audio, 9-inch SIM-RAD, in-charge phone holder right there on the dash. As you move back, you will have the power bimini, a quad lounger setup, which just means you have the loungers up front and loungers in the rear. As we move on to the back of the boat, you'll notice that you have some extra wide doors to walk through. This makes it a little easier when you're carrying bags or you're carrying coolers on and off the boat. Back here we do have the Mercury Verado attached to it. This is going to have a 250 horsepower motor, so it's going to propel the boat very quickly. This boat is for sale here on Lake Lanier. We would love to talk with you about this model and see if this is the right one for you. So when you get a chance, give us a call.